Hello everyone, welcome to this new episode. My name is Akshay and today we are going to do a detailed analysis between Storyboarding and Filmustage and find out which software is best for your next film project. To begin with, I have created a very wonderful presentation that will give you a high level overview and then we will gonna cover each point into a detail. So without any further ado, let's get started. As you can see this presentation, we have find out each and every detail that will help you in taking the decision. So first is the pricing part. Studiovity pricing start with $15 per month and $150 an year, while Filmustage studio plan comes with $149 per month. And if we go on their website and try to find out, then this is the plan that I am talking about. There is another plan at $49 per month, but it have some limited addition features. While when we go on the Studiovity website, and if you go on the renew button and then select the pricing, so it is start at $15 per month. You can choose the pricing of your choice, currency of your choice, and do the payment. Also it has a feature where you can increase or decrease the team seat. So if we increase the team seat of 5 people, then it will cost you somewhere around $39 per month. And comparing with Filmustage is less than their basic award winning plan that is start with $49 per month. Now let's move to the next comparison slide, okay, where we will try to understand the platform. So as we can see on their website, Studiovity is available on web as well as on iOS and Android, and you can download on their application. Also I have also further found out that Studiovity, you don't have to pay different pricing for different platform. It means that if you buy a plan for an Android, you can use it on iOS as well as on web application, so they are completely in sync. While Filmustage is web only, they are available on through website, through online login. Coming on the feature of screenwriting, so if we compare on both the screenwriting editor, then I have found out that Filmustage is only for breakdown, okay, and they have scheduling feature, but they don't have screenwriting application. If we try to cover on the Studiovity application, that it comprises editor. Let me open one project, okay, and then open this editor. So they have this wonderful classic editor where you can go to different scenes, you can edit also, and it have a very wonderful editor, and you can write it also. Let's say I wanted to write this gonna create a problem, and I wanted to convert this into a parenthetical, so I can quickly convert it into a parenthetical. They have then index card where you can move to index card, bitboard, and also have different download option where you can download into PDF, TXT, FDX, cover image with watermark. So it's a feature rich screenwriting editor with notes and so many things. And then they have something called full screen mode where you can start working on the full screen, so that you don't have any issue while writing it, okay. So this is their screenwriting application, and it's included in the pre-production, that is $15 plan. Now coming on the breakdown part of it, so Filmustage and Studiovity both have AI breakdown, while Studiovity implementation is more on the assistant part of it. So now coming on the breakdown part of it. So both Studiovity and Filmustage have a good script breakdown, and they both support manual also. So on Studiovity, you had this chances. So let me help you out on how it works on Studiovity. Okay, and then we'll move to Filmustage one. Okay, so this is document, and then we can create a breakdown and choose that document that we have edited currently. So it will give you all the scenes, okay, and it will automatically assign the interior, exterior, night, day, night, and the amount of page it have. When you click on the next button, it will give you all the casts, okay, and you can not only have that cast, but if you don't want it to choose, you can unclick it, or you can assign it to extras if you feel like this should come in extras and this should not come. Okay, so this is more you can verify it, and then these are the set, and then when you click on the next button, it will automatically create those casts and set, and you can verify it in the department. Okay, so these are the department, and Advert is finding in 240 scenes. So each and every detail is covered in department. While we go to their breakdown part of it, it has automatically tagged all the character, and then there is a generate element button. That's an AI breakdown, and when you click on script breakdown, it will find out the costume, livestock, location. Okay, and if you don't want it to choose swamp, if you wanted to increase the quantity, you can increase, and then sound. So all those category that is appearing on the left side of it, it will able to figure out for you with the help of AI. Coming on, this breakdown is really helpful, and you can add the scene, you can create the scheduling, shortlist, and these many features comes. On the contrary, on the Filmustage, when we try to log in, I tried to log in and use their platform as well to create the AI breakdown. So what happened, you have to import the script. It automatically tagged each and every scenes. Okay, but the problem part of it is that you are not unable to but the problematic part is that it's not taking your confirmation. So I think here Studiovity has this good capability of taking the confirmation from the director, rather than Filmustage, which do it each and everything, and then if you wanted to remove, then you can see and remove if it is not required. So that's the difference between Studiovity and all. And furthermore, if I say that there are these many casts, and let me check it out forests, okay, and I wanted to remove the forest, then it will not okay. So here so as we have seen on Studiovity, where it take the permission from the director, that whether you wanted to take this element into the department. Filmustage do it automatically. It didn't take that confirmation, and after doing it, you have to go one and find out that this thing is not required, and keep on deleting it for all the scene. So that's where one thing I think Studiovity has some edge, that it take the confirmation from the director, or the one who is doing the breakdown. Covering on the next part of it is the scheduling part of it. Okay, we will cover both. Okay, Studiovity have this advanced scheduling available. What I mean by advanced scheduling, let's say if you have things let's say tagged in each and every element, and they have their whole long of strip where you can see all the department. Okay, Not only that, they have this automatic scheduling where you can arrange the scene with on the set basis, and then you can apply the second shot, third shot, okay, technique, scene number technique, and then you will say that I don't wanted to work on Sunday and I wanted to work on 4 days, 4 pages per day. Let it means that I will only consider day one when I have shoot the 4 pages of the script, and when I created on the confirm, it will tell that this is a 15 days of shooting and which contain day one, and it contain cast, location, each and everything. And then they have their boneyard option where you can move certain schedule to boneyard if you think it's not required. And then they have this generate call sheet button, and when you click on create call sheet, it will create the call sheet in one click. Okay, so that's where Studiovity have with each and every Filmustage. Okay, because call sheet is not available in Filmustage, as we can see. Coming on the next part of the shortlist, so Studiovity have this shortlist feature where you can create a short breakdown, while Filmustage doesn't cover it. So if we go on the Studiovity website and try to create a shortlist, then yep, you can create a shortlist and you can define each and every shot. Let's say this is a shot A, and you can you wanted to take esteem close up, eye level, okay, and then movement should be 10, and then you can have more option where you can define each and every category, and you can apply any image to it, so that you should if you have the location image, and then you can download it to share it with cinematographer and from cast and crew team. Coming on the next part of the AI storyboarding, so this storyboarding is currently available for only few people, selected people, but this will change and revolutionize the way storyboarded will take. This AI storyboarding is currently available for few people, but this will gonna revolutionize because it will save amount of time and help you generate an instant picture of how would this set will look like. So I think kudos to Studiovity team. Then they have this production calendar, task manager, collaboration, notes feature, in-app messaging, that I think Filmustage didn't have. So being an affordable, it is very feature rich. You can create a task, okay, let's say this is task of casting, and then you can create it. You can assign the team member also, and you can just pick and drop. They have this production calendar view, list view of tasks, and then they have this contact book where you can add multiple contact that is going to use in your film project. Then they have this production calendar where you can define each and every thing milestone wise, like pre-production, production and post-production, and what are their tasks. So these are the additional feature that Filmustage doesn't cover, apart from department feature where you can see each and every list of your item department wise. So I think it's a clear win for Studiovity over Filmustage in each and every aspect of it. And Studiovity offer 10 days free trial, so you can use the 10 days free trial, and if you like you can buy their plan. And they have this award winning mobile application too, so their UI is similar to the web version, and here you can also change the mode. Okay, here these are different options, and you can create different mode, and you can create different project, and then you can write on their specialized editor too. So this is one project, and when I open this demo script, this is the script I have uploaded on both the platform, okay, to test it. So they have this comprehensive screenwriting editor. And what the awesome part is that, let's say if you have 200 pages film script, so they divided at 10 part. So it will save your time to when you wanted to add it, which scenes you wanted to add it. So let me add it, try to edit their application too, okay. Okay, so let me try to edit their screenwriting aspect too, okay. Here if I wanted to edit their dialogue and wanted to convert at parenthetical, I simply click on it and it will automatically get converted, okay. Along with it I can easily write it, okay. The good part is, if I wanted to add the scenes, okay, it give me a suggestion that whether I wanted to use interior, exterior. And then coming on the second part of it, you can have set name, okay. I am giving random set name, and then you can use night, day. So it has this automatic suggestion option available, okay. Along with it, when I click on this enter button, okay, it will automatically take scenes, okay. So that's the beauty of it, and you don't have to press caps lock. Let's say if I go click on enter button, okay, and I wanted to go to character, okay, it will suggest me which character I wanted to use, okay. And then these suggestions are very helpful when you are writing, okay. So it automatically format accordingly. It will automatically capitalize the character, integer or your transaction. Let's say this is a transaction, and if I click on transaction, it automatically capitalizes. Also it gives you suggestion that what kind of transition you wanted to use. So this is Studiovity mobile application, and that's an advantage that you can have this screenplay whiteboard index card. So as you have seen the comparison of two good film pre-production software, here Studiovity have extra as and is affordable. Studiovity also offers 10 days free trial. After the free trial, you can also have access to limited feature of the project, but you have an access of the web. So if you like, and if you wanted to try, and if you wanted to give it a try, please give it a try. And please subscribe this channel by clicking on the subscribe and give me a thumbs up, so that I will keep on creating these wonderful videos, and looking forward to you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.